Peace to the gods. Welcome back. So y'all, I'm very excited to talk about this. And this is for everybody. This is not just for the melanated people. People that have, melanin in the skin, and then people that have absolutely no melanin in the skin. We're going to talk about neuromelanin today. And I know my melanated people, we would like to think that we're the only ones that have neuromelanin, but that's not true. And we got to be objective. But the 3 types of melanin that there are, and I know people be saying there's other types of melanin pertaining to plants, but the 3 types of melanin is, and I already have a video on this, so y'all can go check it out. Eumelanin, pheomelanin, neuromelanin. Eumelanin is in the skin. Pheomelanin is like what causes freckles in the orange type of hair. And then neuromelanin is actually in the brain. So everybody, whether you have melanin in your skin or not, you can have neuromelanin. Let's get into it. So neuromelanin is a dark pigment found in specific areas of the brain and the nervous system, especially in parts that control movement and emotion. It's similar to the melanin found in your skin, but it's located in the neurons, the nerve cells in the brain. So neuromelanin is mainly found in the substantia nigra. I'm going to put the name right here. In the locus, coeruleus. Can't even pronounce it. Deep inside the brain. It's found deep inside the brain. What does neuromelanin do? So scientists don't even fully know. They're still learning. But from what they have gathered, which I know is more information, but they have gathered that neuromelanin protects brain cells by binding to harmful metals like iron and mercury. Neuromelanin also helps regulate dopamine, a key transmitter for mood and movement, and it also acts as a neuroprotector, shielding brain tissue from oxidative stress. Now, I will make a disclaimer and say that melanated people with more melanin can, of course, have more neuromelanin, but it's still being studied. They're still studying melanin, y'all. So, melanated people and people that don't have any melanin, I'm trying to stop saying, black. I'm trying. We can both have it because it's a natural part of the brain's structure. It's in all humans, which all humans have a brain, so we can all have it. And here's some scientific truth. Neuromelanin forms in everyone, especially in brain regions that manage dopamine and norepinephrine. I'm gonna put the name right there. Can't even pronounce it. And it's not the same as skin melanin, but it's chemically related. Like I was saying earlier, everyone's brain needs it. It helps with detoxification, mood regulation, and neural protection. But there's a difference. Here's the difference. People with higher melanin may have more denser neuromelanin, according to some studies, but this is still being explored. Melanated bodies tend to produce more melanin overall, and this may also apply to internal melanin systems like the brain. So, all people can have neuromelanin. All races can have neuromelanin, but the concentration, the quality, and the function is going to vary based on genetics. I'm making it be known, based on genetics. Things like ancestral, any things that have to do with the ancestors and the lineage, generations overall, and any other biological factors. But I just wanted to make a video on what neuromelanin is overall and just emphasizing the fact that neuromelanin is actually in the brain and that all humans can actually have neuromelanin. But yes, melanated people are going to, probably have more neuromelanin. But yeah, I do have a video on melanin, the different types of melanin, what they are, their functions, and I go more in detail with that one. But this video was just about neuromelanin really quickly. I love myself. Peace to the God.